Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection. Today I'm going to show you two new diecasts I just got from the Lights and Sounds Cars 2 collection. One is called Rotork Redline.
I was just wearing a disguise. You guys are stuck looking like that.
And the other one is Fillmore.
I'm feeling the vibe now.
He's the same size as the ones sold separately. This is a 155 scale diecast measuring 3 inches long, with the Team McQueen 95 logo on both doors. But he has a different facial expression.
Conserve the fuel, man!
To hear him talk, just press on top, but to keep the headlights on, just hold it for 3 seconds.
I'm feeling the vibe now.
And it turns off automatically. He comes with 10 different phrases and sounds.
You should try my organic biofuel. I'm feeling the vibe now. Groovy day for a race. Peace out, dude. I'm telling you, traffic's a conspiracy. Groove on, man. Conserve the fuel, man.
And the next one is Rotork Redline. Rod is also a 155 scale diecast, measuring 3 inches long, and comes with metallic finish. He has a different facial expression from the regular diecast.
It's time for the drop.
He has 6 different phrases and sounds, and all you gotta do is press the back window.
Okay, McMissile, I'm here. Hey, buddy, my good side's over here. It's time for the drop. I was just wearing a disguise. You guys are stuck looking like that.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it, and stay tuned for much more from Cars 2. Thanks and see you next time.